Hello everyone, I'm Thanush from DDT1F. Today I'm going to show you how you can project Android screen onto a laptop. First, you have to make sure that your laptop runs on Windows 10. If you have Windows 7 or Windows 8, you should please upgrade it. And if you have Windows 10, you don't need to worry about installing another software because it's already inbuilt in Windows 10. So let's hop into it. First of all, we have to do some settings in our PC so that it could receive our Android phone's screen. To do that, go to the notification panel and find for the connect option. So here it is, click it. It will open up a connect panel and then click on projecting to this PC. So this will open up a new settings, and here it says that some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC. When you say it's okay, so clearly this option is turned off, you should turn it on. So there's two options available here, available everywhere on secure networks and available everywhere. So I'm going to click available everywhere because I want it to be everywhere, always finding. So there's a security option called ask to project to this PC every time a connection is requested. Basically, I set this to every time a connection is requested because whenever I try to mirror my Android phone screen to my PC, it's going to ask whether I want to connect or not. So now we are done. Click on exit and we can go to the next phone settings. So let's bring our phone, and yeah, here it is. So first thing, go to the notification panel and search for Smart View. Same like Wi-Fi, mobile data, airplane mode, Smart View is also an option. So click it and it will ask you to turn off the power saving mode. So make sure your power saving mode in your Android is turned off before you cast any screen on your laptop. So press turn off. Once I press turn off, it automatically prompts desktop AE494FR onto my screen, which is my laptop's name. So you can just press mirror screen right now, and there you go. In your laptop, it's called allow phone Galaxy A70 to project here. Galaxy A70 is my phone model. I'm gonna go with yes, and done. My phone is being projected on my laptop with ease. So there you go. This is complete step on how to project your Android on laptop. The first thing you have to make sure is your laptop runs on Windows 10, basically the latest Windows 10, and your Android must be running on version 4.0 and above, and basically you have everything you need to cast your Android phone onto the laptop. You can do wonders actually. You can go videos, you can play games, you can listen to music, you can do many things. So that's all from me. I end my tutorial here. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something new. And this is Thanush signing off. Thank you.